Chicago screws are great to have on hand for accenting and reinforcing straps, handles, corners, and thick areas on projects. The best part about this hardware is how durable it is, and it doesn't require any setting tools. Each Chicago screw has a receiver unit and a flat top, and a screw unit, which you can see has a threaded post. To install this hardware, you might want to use some scraps of fleece, foam, or other stabilizer to add support on areas where the hardware may be more loose. A rotary punch is also very helpful for punching the holes for the screws, and you'll also need a screwdriver. If you're using a rotary punch, you'll first start by selecting the appropriate punch size. Align the receiver unit to each punch and select a punch that is the same size or a size smaller than the post. You want a tight fit so the hardware doesn't pull through. Then punch or cut the holes in your desired areas. Also punch or cut holes through some of your stabilizer or scraps so they're ready in case you need them. Next, simply insert the receiver unit through a hole so it's against the right side of your fabric. Flip the project over and tighten the screw in place, adding any stabilizer first in areas where more support is needed. Then you'll repeat to install the rest of your Chicago screws.